Hello friends, welcome back to Jamaican Insider channel. Welcome to Valentine Gardens. Right now I'm leaving from Mullines Road here in St. Andrew, Jamaica. And now we're in Valentine Gardens. If you're from the area, let me know in the comment section. And for everybody else viewing, please tell me where you're viewing from. Let us know where you're watching from. Alright, so let's get into it. Making this left turn onto Hillview Terrace. This right turn takes us on to Valentine Drive. On our left is very popular, the what is it called? Let me know in the comment section if you know what it's called. I'm gonna turn back so you can get a better look at it. So if you had guessed PriceSmart, you'll be right. This is well, actually we're looking at the parking lot for PriceSmart. Very popular place to come and do some shopping. It's like a Costco in the States. We're back onto Valentine Drive now. Because this video is being recorded in December 2022. Just thought I mentioned that. getting a little rough. So sections of Valentine's Gardens, as you can see, the road is not as bad. It's pretty decent. But if I were to make this left turn, let's see what it's like around here. Not as bad. Not too bad, right? A quick view of the hills. As you can see, around here is consisted mostly of single family houses. Not seeing too many apartment complexes at this time. Don't know how long that will remain. Not sure how long that will remain the case at all. But trust me, I wouldn't be surprised if it changes. Alright, so just left from Emerald Terrace. And now we're back onto Moulins Road. Well, I do hope you've enjoyed this brief look on Valentine Garden. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Until next time, do take care.